Hello students, welcome to Paramount Public School again. Hope you are enjoying your study at home. So today we are going to discuss another chapter of class 6th for your computer science book Alpha. The chapter name is Word Processor, a Tabular Presentation. And the topic we are going to discuss today is creating tables. How to create tables in word processor in MS Word. So topics which we are going to discuss today are creating a table in MS Word, how to enter data in that tables and how to edit that table. So both these three topics are discussed in this presentation today. Now let's first discuss that what is a word processor. In layman language, I say that word processor is that a software which helps us to create a documents. It's an application software that allows a user to create, edit, or print documents. You can write text on it, store it, and it will display on your screen later on whenever you open it. These are the pictures of the word processor, how they look. Now the topic comes how to create a table. See, there are two main ways to create a table in MS Word. First one is by using the table grid, and the second one is by using the insert table option. In both options you are able to create the tables. You can create a same table, but with these two ways you can create a different tables. So let's discuss what is a table which we are going to draw in MS Word. A table is a combination of rows and columns. The rows which are horizontal and columns are vertical. So by the combination of rows and columns we create a cell. See the image shown here. Combination of rows and columns create a cell, and combination of cells create a table. When we join one or more cells with each other, it creates a table. We can add anything in the table, either it is text, pictures, either they are formulas or anything. So let's create a table. Let's see how to create a table by a table grid. See, just go to the insert tab in MS Word, and there you find an option of table button. Just click on them. Whenever you click on a table button, it shows you the grid of columns. There are little columns grid there, and whenever you select that, one column has been drawn in MS Word. If you select two, then two has been drawn. It's upon you how many rows and columns you need to create a table. Select that much rows and columns in a grid and click on OK. Your table has been created. Just see the image below. This is a table grid. See the orange structure. This is they are selecting 2 rows and 4 columns. See the image. 4 by 2. The 2 is rows and 4 is column. It's depend upon you how much rows and columns you need. So by selecting this grid, you are able to create a table here. As much as boxes you are selected, as much as tables and rows and columns has been drawn in the sheet. Now the next option is using insert table option. Insert table option is came in the same way as the grid do the work. Click on insert. Now select the table button. Then there is option name as insert table. Here you have to write down the number of rows or the number of columns you need it to be drawn in the table, or just click on the arrow buttons there. They will increase or decrease the number of columns and rows, and click on OK. Your table has been drawn. See the example. Just click on insert, then table, insert table. Here see the table size. Here Just write down number of columns, number of rows you needed and click on OK. See, you selected number of rows 4, number of rows 5. So there are 4 columns and 5 rows. This is the way to create a table by insert table option. Now, the next is insert table image. See this. So this is the image. Make it more bigger. How to insert columns and rows. Now, how to enter data into table. In previous slides we have read that how to insert a table, how to draw a table. In this slide we are going to study that how to enter the data in the table. It's very easy to enter the data in a table. Just select the table, place the cursor in the cell where you want to insert the data and just write down the data, whatever you want, either it is text or a numeric number. And if you want to insert data on next cell, just go with the help of arrows or the tab key, and you are able to write data in each column, in each cell of the table. See the option. Here I have created a table with 4 columns and 4 rows, and I have entered the data here. It's a detail of students. You can enter any data, whatever you have. Editing a table. You want to do some changes in table. How can you do? See, if you want to enter the entire table, maybe you need that I have to enter the entire table. Select that whole table, or you can edit also a single row or a single column also. You can set the margins for the table, how table should appear. You can set the appearance of the table, or you can change the table styles also. Inserting rows in table. If you see that I have made 4 rows and now I need one more row should be added in the table. So how to insert a row in a table? Just select the area where you want to insert the another row, either it is after or before the selected area. So select that area where you want to insert a row and click on insert row above. If you selected insert row above, then a row will be added above the selected area. And if you selected insert row below option, then a row will be added below your selected area. So it's upon you, either you need it on the above or in the below. See the option. Here I have insert a row just after the detail of the student name Amit. These are the option: insert above, insert below for the rows. Now next, inserting column in a table. Same as you insert a row in a table, the same process is for to insert a column in a table. Just you have to add a column on right side of the table or the left side of the selected area. Just it's upon you, whatever you select, insert column right side or insert column left side. See, I have insert a column right side to the selected area of science and click on insert right. Either you can insert left also. Now the next one is, you have created the table, inserted the rows and columns. Now if you want to delete some row or a column, how can you do this? You just select the area, you just select the row or a column you want to delete and just click on delete. It will delete the whole row and column. So this is all for the today's presentation. In this presentation we came to know about how to create table, how to insert data in tables, and how to edit the tables. Now in next presentation we came to know about formatting of a table and how to apply borders and shading to a table, how to resize the table, and how to align the text in the table. So in next presentation we will discuss these 4 topics. So for today's, thank you so much students. Now we will learn about the next slide. Thank you so much.